So Pakistan has constantly complained of, groups like the Pakistan Taliban using Afghanistan to launch attacks. What kind of concrete measures is Afghanistan taking now to ensure this doesn't happen? Because you also said in your public talk yesterday that, Afghanistan has changed and we're not going to let any entities use our soil. So in concrete terms, what does that mean?
There are two things related to that. My view as a citizen and also as a chairman of the High Council. We are against any group under any name, any terrorist group, posing threats against any nation in the neighborhood, beyond the neighborhood, or countries far away from us. These terrorist groups under different names, you mentioned one or two names, they do not serve any nations, any states' legitimate interest. Eventually, they have their own goals, and they turn against state institutions when they have the chance. And this region, Pakistan, Afghanistan, have been a witness to that. And we don't need to be taught about it. And that's my firm belief. It's regardless of my position today, tomorrow, yesterday, it's the same. It will remain the same.
Sir, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate Pakistan's contribution to making these talks happen and to their possible success also now going forward?
Oh, I'm not in the position of juries here, and I encourage. I continue to encourage positive attitude, and I will continue to make efforts if I can contribute in any way to building trust and working towards cooperation with the spirit of peaceful and friendly neighborhood coexistence. Okay, good.
And do you think President Ghani has the political clout to see these very critical negotiations through?
All of us should work together. It's not just one person's job. He's the president of the country. The way that he's looking at it will have an impact on the situation, but also there is a High Council for National Reconciliation, which our job is to bring consensus, including his views, the views of the people in the government, the views of the people which are in the opposition, the views of the people which are neither in the government nor in the opposition, civil society, broader public society as a whole. We should keep everybody behind this in order to have an early results. That's in our part, in the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Then comes Taliban. They need to make extra efforts within their own system, within their own movement in order to move it forward.